Hello everybody and welcome back to the Outdoor Channel. Today we're talking about washing cars, or I guess really in my case washing a truck. We've all been to places like this here behind me, or at least here in the US. Yeah, they're kind of convenient, but what happens when you get here? You usually got to wait in line, you got to dig around for quarters, the timer never really quite lasts as long as you like, all to sit there and really wash the truck yourself. And yes, I do know there are nicer car washers out there that have some more conveniences, but they usually cost even more money. So today we're going to be looking at some products from Salty Captain. They're an outfit over in Australia. You can have them shipped to your house. You can do everything in the driveway at your convenience. No need to look for quarters. No need to wait for that pesky timer to go off in the middle of a wash. No need to wait in line. So we're going to do that next. Before we do anything, we're first going to take the truck over to the farm, get it nice and dirty. Stay tuned.
Welcome to the outdoors. Welcome to the outdoors.
All right, we got the truck nice and dirty, or really to say it better, nice and dusty. I did accidentally leave that back window open when I did all that, so my interior is also all dusty. Salty Captain does ship directly to you, so according to my cameras at the house, the package is sitting on my doorstep. Let's get her home, let's get her cleaned up. We've got some buckets, got a brush, the Musket cleaning brushes and sponge, I think, and a package of fiber towels. This one happens to be Tire Shine. This is the Drip Dry, the Wheel Wash, Interior Cleaner. Definitely going to try that one out. This is just a regular car wash formula here. Some different towels and things to wash with. Grease Attack glass cleaner. Definitely want to try that out too. Alright, here's everything that came inside the kit. Most of the contents were packed very nicely in those buckets. I really like that, just in case something were to happen in shipping. Nothing is leaking all over the place, so everything seems to be sealed very nicely. Sort of cleaners and brushes and different cleaning products, bases for the buckets, and nozzles. What I think we're going to go after first is this Musket that's right here. Now this is a garden hose attachment. They've got a few different versions of this. So if you got a power washer, if you got a garden hose, we're going to probably try to wash some of this dirt off the truck with some soap before we hit some of the detail products. So let's do that next. When you assemble this, don't forget to put all your gaskets in a few different places here, otherwise this thing will just leak everywhere. Has a simple on-off cannon on there, a few different attachments depending on what you're using, and it's really that simple. Load up whatever detergent you want to use in here to clean your truck. You're ready to rock and roll. We're going to take some of our car wash gel and place some in here. So parts like this were just too caked on there from our earlier adventure, so the hose isn't going to get them off. And this is a pretty soft brush, so this should make pretty short work of some of the stuff that's just caked on here a little bit too hard. All right, as we look at the windows, you can see all the water spots on there. It's pretty bad. And not just the window, but you can see it here on the mirror as well. So we're gonna go ahead and try the glass cleaner. And this is supposed to be the purple towel. All right, next up we're going to do some work on the wheels and tires. They have a tire shine and a wheel shine, and you can see that the wheels definitely could use a little cleaning. This one takes the brown cloth. Go ahead and get started. All right, now we're moving on to the tire shine. This one takes the foam applicator, although you can use a rag if you want to. Let's go ahead and see how this does. These are very large Mickey Thompson 35 by 12.5. They certainly see a bit of dirt and grime. Looks like it's doing a pretty good job of cleaning things up. And if you get a little overspray, you can just take a rag and clean some of that up. Bound to happen. Now I have these steps that deploy and retract when I open and close the door, and as you can see, they get quite a bit of abuse just from being under the truck. So I'm going to try the degreaser on this. Now this is kind of advertised as something to get bug guts and stuff off the grill and maybe the mirrors. We're going to go ahead and try it with the gray cloth on these steps. I'm actually going to switch gears from that gray microfiber to this brush. Now what's nice about the kit is they give you a few different options. You can kind of use whatever is best for the situation. I've got all these little indentations here, as well as a little more work to do on the logo. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Even works on bird droppings too. All right, now we're going to try the Salty Captain Drip Dry. This works with the Musket, and it's asking for 90 milliliters, so we're going to go ahead and top this all the way off, see what it does. Again, just like I talked about at the beginning of the video, don't forget all your gaskets when using the Musket, otherwise this will be all over the place. Secure it. We're going to try it first on a tailgate. Fire in a hole. So there's a few different positions on here: off, rinse, and then mix whatever you have in here. Now that we've applied the drip dry to the truck, we're going to go ahead and do the rinse portion. All right, so just sprinkling a little bit of water on this. Yeah, some of it naturally rolls off, but you can see a lot of this is kind of staying put. A lot of this is staying put where we hit it just a little while ago. We have not applied the drip dry on this side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other side. So as you saw this side, we just did the drip dry, we did a rinse, did a quick wipe down. The contour of the truck may not show it really well, but let's go ahead and see. And you can see that just rolls off the truck. You're not going to have those water spots like you did on the other side. Green for the dash and the center console. What I like about this is it's not at all streaky. Microfiber towels are really nice. And here's some of that dust we had from having that back window open. And this side is just as bad. All right, so we had that little off-road adventure. I forgot to close that back window, so I got some of that dirt and dust on the back here. So we're going to use the interior cleaner. See if we can clean some of this up back here. So we're just going to clean one panel of the seat here, right next to the other one. You can see the difference between here and here. Okay, that's all there is to it, to washing your truck with Salty Captain. This musket is actually pretty slick, even for just a simple garden hose attachment. Actually applies the detergents on there really, really well. Having the multi-lever position on here to go from apply to rinse to off is really great. The microfiber towels that they provide with the kit go with the detergents very well. The truck's super clean. We're getting ready to make our first road trip, so if you like content like this, hit like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.